back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you an LOL glitter series. I've already opened 2 of them. One I opened with you guys and one I didn't. But there's this little secret to it that I'm going to tell you. Let's get right into it. This is the little secret. There's a little hook here. I'll get the other one. This one is blue and the capsule thing is blue, which is common. And the hook here, the hook is gold. So it might be an ultra rare or a rare. And I'm going to open it right now. Let's get right into it. Always smooth at the start, not always though. So first, we got this. Write below in the comments what this is, because I didn't read it, so I don't really know what it is. Ooh! Why does this always have to happen to me? See, it's gold. I knew it. I was right. Victory. Where? Oh, there it is. Didn't even need to unzip it. Stickers. I don't know why I'm putting them upside down. I got it off. Why do they have to do this to me? Okay, opening an egg. Yay! This. Okay. Ooh, these are nice sunglasses. Let's see. Oh, yes. I know which one I got. Oh, here it is. Comment down below if you know what one, or which one it is on here. This is the suit, the clothes, not the suit. What am I saying? Trusty scissors. I was going to put it in the rubbish pile. Oh yeah, I forgot. Drink bottle. Oh god. Shoes? Okay. You know what they look like? They look like jelly. Wait, did I already open this one? No, I don't. I did. Oh. A little bracelet. What's this? Oh, yeah. A little mermaid tail. I'm sure you know which one it is by now. I'm gonna get a dress, flippers. Oh, cute. I just noticed something. That she has flippers and shoes. This is the girl. Her name is Splash Queen. This is who she is. I'll show you the back. And I'll show you what she looks like with shoes on. And this is what she looks like with shoes on. I'm actually happy that I got her, but I'm going to tell you which one I got. I got an ultra rare, and she tinkles. Thanks for watching. Bye! And the answer for this is diamonds are forever.